Hello viewers, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bakwale Joshua Koko and I am a first year medical student at Gulu University. Today I'm going to be taking you through, further understanding of Microsoft Word. In other words, we are going to be looking at some of the different things you can do with Microsoft Word, ranging from inserting tables, inserting graphs, inserting charts, and all those kinds of things. I want to just basically give you a taste of what it means to understand Microsoft Word, and please stay tuned as we dive right into it. So now I'm going to straight away open a new Microsoft Word document. I'll come here and I'll say new, then I'll choose Microsoft Word document. There you go. And then I can either rename it or I can go with it the way it is, and that's what I choose for today. Just for demonstration, I'll go with it the way it is. There you go. So I open my new Microsoft Word document. Yeah, there it is. Closed. And so here I can type anything that I want. I can type anything. Maybe I'm typing a letter. I'm like, dear, maybe Joe. Maybe let me say dear. Maybe Emma. I put a comma. I press enter. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. I love you so much, and please take care. There you go. So now after typing this, I want to show you that in Microsoft Word there's so many things you can do. For example, I can come and just play around with something as simple as fonts. I can make these fonts of any style that I want. I can make them appear like that. I can make them appear like that, like that, like that. So many different ways. For example, let me leave them as that. And then if I want, I can come and do something. I think I've talked about mail merging. It's another very interesting application of Microsoft Word. And then we can insert whatever we do want. You can come here, you can insert pictures. For example, I can get pictures from anywhere. Camera roll. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures here. Yeah, but this was a picture to insert right there. It's all I have in my PC. Then you can carry it and put it anywhere, adjust it accordingly. Yeah, that's it. But then basically my aim was just to show that you can put pictures in this. I can do away with it. I can insert anything that I want. I can insert a drop cap. For example, I come here and then I come and insert a drop cap. There you go. I make my first letter as big as that. Basing on your preferences, it can cover 2 lines, 3 lines, or even 4, basing on what you want. I can insert a table in case I want to put some. There you go. Maybe I come and insert it somewhere here. Then I insert a table, something like that. Maybe I summarize for this guy. I'm writing for the letter. Maybe the things I want. Maybe I say maybe here item, price, and whatever it is you want to put in your table. Still in insert, there's so many things you can do. You can insert charts. There you go. You can insert maybe a pie chart. There you go. You choose a pie chart and then just press OK, and then use any data that you want to make your chart. Anything basically. So I don't want a chart. I want to just show you that you can actually insert a chart. I can do away with it. Let me first remove this, and I can do away with this. Control Z. Okay. Yeah. So I think there's so much you can do with Microsoft Word. Review. You can add comments. I mean, just play around with this. Design. You can change your designs into any style that you want. You can put word art. you know, if you want to make your things much more interesting and much more visually appealing, for example, I can just come and again highlight this, and then I'll come for word art, and then I'll put them in any choice, and something like that, you know, for young kids. They love such a thing, and you send for him and he's all feeling nice and good. Yeah, I mean, there's so much you can do over here, eh? I mean, if we begin talking about Microsoft Word and the different possibilities we have right in here, I think even a day wouldn't be enough, but just have to know some of the basics. And by the way, for Microsoft Word, it's really easy, whatever you want to do. For example, I'll be like, I want to put maybe a drop cap. I want to put it, meaning I want to insert it. I'll go to insert, and I look for it. If I don't find it here, but fortunately that one is right over here, but if I don't find it there, I'll go ahead and check in design, check in layout, references, until you finally get what you want, eh? That's basically it. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you. Stay tuned, like this video, subscribe to my channel, as much more awaits. Thank you so much. God bless you.